Hey there, it's Kaikane, just here at Dean and DeLuca and Guy and Mai near Motesando here in downtown Tokyo, having a nice cappuccino. After this quick video, I'm heading over to another high-paying company class in Motesando, $400 for 2 hours with a group of 5 students. Amazing. Anyways, this morning's topic is going to be how much English teachers make in Japan. First off, don't forget, ladies and gents, there are 2 different types of English language teachers in Japan and everywhere else in the world. The first type, the loser type English language teachers, and the second type, the elite type English language teachers, such as myself and a few others. The loser type English language teachers will just make enough money to scrape by from what they make at their ELCs, English language centers, as they most probably take no pride in their jobs of teaching English in Japan. They have no motivation to teach private English lessons or anything outside of their regular boring contract so that they can make crazy coin like us elite English language teachers. Most of them, if not all, make no more than 200,000 to 250,000 yen, which is about 2,000 to 2,500 US dollars a month. Yes, I know it is sad, but it is very true, folks. These cats sadly also have no direction, no purpose, no savings, no system or method of teaching, and are just bored out of their poor minds teaching in the coolest country and also most expensive country, Japan. I hope and pray that none of you awesome aspiring English language instructors ever fall into this category. After all, why live in the coolest and most expensive place in the world if you're only living on a bare minimum salary and not enjoying your life? It makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. They are better off heading back to their homelands, working at Mickey D's in LA or New York City or London, and then perhaps they will have a smile on their faces. Who the hell knows? But I don't care. Anyway, just don't fall into that category. I have met or come across far too many of these folks here in Japan, ladies and gentlemen, and also many other places in the world that I have been teaching in throughout my teaching career of 18 years. Do not fall into this category, please. I beg of you. Okay, now for a brighter, bigger and more positive side of things, we have the elite type of English language instructors. The elite type of English language professional is, of course, what you want to be and nothing else. These cats are making bank and laughing all the way to the bank on a daily basis. These ladies and gents are true players in the English teaching field. They work at universities, good language schools, such as Berlitz, GABA, and etc. After their coveted day job or in between breaks, they fill up any free time, not by going to the stupid bar, not by just going to the club, but by doing the magical private English lessons. Yes, that's right, private English lessons, where all the money is at. If these elite chaps are working at a top uni or language center, they are making a minimum of 350,000 to 700,000 yen a month roundabout, and maybe, of course, much more. And add on the yen cash flow from their private English lessons, and they're making an extra 200,000 to 400,000 yen plus a month. That's $2,000 to $4,000 plus extra of cash flow in your pocket, yo, for real. So, in conclusion, the total amount possible for elite type of English language professionals teaching in Japan with a monthly salary is anywhere from 5,000 US dollars to 10,000 US dollars plus per month, and then some. If you're way on top of your game, such as myself, I make much more than that, of course, because I've been in this industry for over 18 years, and I really love my job, and nothing can come between it. Don't forget, folks, my average monthly salary is about $15,000 to $20,000 a month just from doing a job that I love, cherish, and respect. I love my students. I love my job. I love teaching. I love waking up in the morning. I love Japan. I love teaching and working in anywhere else in the world where I'm called upon. Working and teaching my ass off and doing loads of private English lessons just make tons of bank. You can be where I am without a doubt, and I want to help you get there. As long as you are willing and serious, I can help you. Oh, almost late for that company class, so off I go, guys and gals. Do be sure to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, feel free to book a private one-on-one consultation if you want to get awesome and life-changing advice on how to find the best ESL teaching job abroad. And if you want to know where the best places are to move to for teaching English overseas, and if you want to learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching English abroad while making tons of money in the process. Don't forget, I also provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely and absolutely help you out on your journey of getting rich teaching English abroad. Have a wonderful day and stay tuned for more cool vids. Peace out, keep it real, and never give up. By the way, if you do fall into the category of the loser type English language instructor, I can help you. It is not the end of the world. There is still hope. As long as you get in touch with me, I can help you get your life and your ass back on track and start making some serious money of wherever you are in the world, especially in Japan. My lines are always open. You know where to find me. Take it easy. Late.